Okay, you can target any audience where you want to target, like Facebook feeds on your Facebook phone wall. Instagram feeds means Instagram wall. Facebook Marketplace means Facebook Marketplace. I don't know how many of you know that Facebook has a marketplace. Okay, in app it's very prominent. So you want to show ads over here. Video feeds means if you go on videos mobile specifically, you will see that. Right column means the ads which are on right column. Okay, these ads. Okay, these ads have really never performed for me because I have never seen results coming out of it, but you can try it out in case it works for you, but it never worked for me. So right column ads never worked for me. Instagram Explorer is the one. I don't know how many of you know that. How many of you are using Instagram, has used Instagram on regular basis, once in a week or once in a day? Rajiv used it. Okay. Ranjana not using it. Shiva using it. Shivam using it. Aditya using it. Okay. Guys, if you want to remain into digital marketing, think how much you like particular app or doesn't like particular app. Make an account, start using it. Then only a lot of features you will get to know. Explorer is in Instagram is like YouTube homepage sort of thing, where you see according to your interest all the videos coming over there, all the images coming over there. Okay. Then is Messenger box, Facebook Messenger, Facebook group feeds. Okay. Then stories. I hope everyone knows that if I go on top, these are stories. Okay. So Facebook has its stories, Instagram has its stories. Okay. So these are stories if you want to show ads on it. Messenger has its own stories. Facebook in-stream video ads. In-stream video ad is like this. Your video will start in couple of minutes and then your ad will be displayed like this. Facebook search means Facebook search results you want to show, Facebook Messenger, Facebook articles, and Facebook network. Like Google has its Google network, display network. Similarly, Facebook has its own network as well. You want to show ads on that, also you can show that. But this messenger ad, oh sorry, lead generation ad doesn't run on all this because in that Facebook push a form, so that form doesn't work everywhere. So that's why you can't run it. Otherwise, if you have selected any other objective, you would have been able to do it. Like if I change it, I don't want to lose that audience, but I will lose it if I go on business owners again. Okay, you see this option getting active, messenger stories getting active. So every single option you can activate. Okay, now your every single option is getting activated. Okay, so you can show ads now on each of them, not messenger. Okay, not in Stream and Messenger. Primarily, at rest of the places you can show it. Okay, so this is the manual placement, automatic placement. You can select you want. Next thing is whenever I talk about my specific audience, I always target device specific. I generally make two ad groups, one for Android users, another for iOS users. Apple users. Okay, Gera, Natugera. I don't want to target all those. I want to target specifically iPhone users. Okay, and in those iPhone users above model 8, so that if I'm targeting co-founders, I know. Okay, I should know that I'm not targeting any Era Gera, Nattu Gera in that. Okay, maybe your audience size is a little less, which is fine. 8x. So you get a very premium audience, X1 भी होता है क्या? You don't want to target iPads, but okay, iPhone 11 is also there. So if you search out the models, okay, don't leave any premium audience. Don't target 4 and 5. These are Garib users. 6 you can still target. I don't like them, but which is fine. Okay, I have targeted very premium audience. अब जो बिजनेस ओनर्स हैं उनके पास एक अच्छा फोन है 30-40-50 हजार रुपए का एंड अबव, और उनका इंटरेस्ट है, दे हैव पुट देमसेल्व्स एज को-फाउंडर, सो नाउ इट इज मोर ऑफ अ ऑथेंटिक ऑडियंस. बट जनरली लोग क्या करते हैं, इसको छोड़ देते हैं, एलिमिनेट. इन एंड्रॉइड ऑल्सो यू कैन फाइंड आउट अ गुड ऑडियंस. इट्स नॉट कोई भी 15,000 से ऊपर वाला फोन यू पिक इट will be a good phone. Like in MI and Xiaomi, I believe. Okay, so Xiaomi has a expensive device. Like I don't know, 90 Pro is expensive or not. OnePlus I know. OnePlus 7, OnePlus 7T. Okay.
Yeah, Jatin, here can we just go by the version number of the OS?
Sorry?
Can we just go by the OS version, because there are so many devices, so many companies? I mean,
yes,
device.
because you can go by OS version as well, but the only problem with OS version is even a cheaper phone, 5,000 rupees MI phone, have a same OS version, which an
Okay.
70 Pro has. Okay, but the price difference between a rickshaw wala phone and a business owner will be huge. Okay, but their OS version is same, and sometimes it's not a lot of shopkeepers type, they are business owners, but that kind of business owners we are not looking at. We are looking at someone who has a business, definitely who's making at least a 1 to 1.5 cr every month, and who has a requirement. Okay, it's not someone who doesn't have a. There are a lot of wholesalers who make more than 100 cr every year, but they doesn't require us. Correct. So you have to identify them through that. This is the whole idea of doing this activity. Clear? Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is how I filter it out. I eliminate a lot of irrelevant users, irrelevant content. Okay. Irrelevant audience, and that's why I get most of my audience very super, because if you type, because the risk with Facebook audience is that you will get a lot of kachra audience, because every single one, from 1 tier to 4 tier, 5 tier, in every village, everyone is using Facebook almost now in India. The penetration level of internet is 51 cr in India. Okay, so every single person knows, and those who knows internet, they know Google, they know Facebook and WhatsApp. These three things everyone knows it. Okay, so you don't want to target those people. So you can select specifically that you don't want to target them. Or sometimes I do some, again, very stupid thing is that I don't target a Facebook audience. I target only Instagram audience. Because every era, Gera, Nattu, Gera is not on Instagram first. 80% of irrelevant audience you lose out, but a huge chunk of relevant audience, because lot of business owners are not on Instagram. Like I am not very frequent on Instagram. Like Ranjana is not very frequent. Maybe a lot of people out of you are not super active on Instagram. Okay, even you may not have an account. So that is also a risk with Instagram, selecting only Instagram ads. Okay, so from here you can do that, but I generally prefer a device. You can download a list. Okay, if you really want list of phones above 15K in India, so you will get a list. Okay, so you can download all the mobile names like one by one, all of them, and you can target them.
So one question, if
Yeah.
like if my business is not on Instagram, I don't have a page on Instagram, should I still be targeting Instagram platform in placements?
Yeah, you can. One thing, and second thing, you should have an Instagram account. Like the same content which you are producing for Facebook, you have it on Instagram and post it on Instagram as well. There is no harm. Correct.
Correct.
You are getting your audience. If you're not paying, at least your organic audience will grow automatically. Don't lose any platform. Unless and until you will not create a specialized content for it. But yes, at least you can post whatever you are producing for Facebook and other channels. Okay.
Sir, process will be same for Instagram also.
In paid ads, you are saying?
Yes, sir.
Paid ads for Instagram, you can run it from here. You don't have to run it from Instagram paid account network.
Okay, because they are interlinked, so we can directly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Both the properties are owned by Facebook, so you can run it from here. So that's why even in our course, we never teach Instagram ads separately, because Instagram ads, you can run it from here. Otherwise, I have to take a class from my mobile phone and show every single thing from that. Okay, that is not required when you can run all type of ads from here itself.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's do one activity. Let's take a break of 15 minutes and join back and then continue the class. Before taking a break, anyone has any question? Because audience is done from my end. If you have a question, please let me know. If you don't have any question, just press 1 into the chat box. Quickly. Is it clear?
In budget and schedule, it is giving an option of cost control, optional option of cost control, average cost per lead.
Where you see? I can't see.
In budget and schedule.
I'm in budget and schedule.
It is giving me as an optional option. It is similar to that. That cost.
It will be in optimization and delivery generally.
It is in budget and schedule.
These options you will be getting na cost cap, bid cap.
Cost control optional. Yeah, this one, cost control.
Yeah. I will be discussing in optimization and delivery. In your interface, it will be coming over there. No issues.
Okay. So we are currently on ad tech, basically, right?
Sorry?
You have a campaign at the top, then you have an ad set, and then you have specific ads.
Yes.
Okay. So we are
Correct.
connected on ad set. Okay.
Yeah. Everything over here in Facebook is set at ad set level.
Achha.
In campaign is just for the sake of it, and at campaign level, it's just only objective you can set up, nothing beyond that. Okay. So just for the sake of campaign level defining it, what Facebook has done is, for Facebook, he was making ad group level, but just to match with Google AdWords, they created a campaign level. Nothing beyond that. Okay, actually there is no settings with campaigns, so there is no meaning of having it. But for the sake of comparison, for sake of people to understand that Facebook and Google Ads are same, you can operate it in the same manner. Just to help the digital marketers now know you don't have to learn a new interface altogether. It's very same to Google AdWords. So they make it like that. But slowly and gradually, they will move everything to ad set. Even the objectives also.
Okay. In ad set, it is giving one more option called dynamic creative.
Dynamic creative is again for the e-commerce sites where because you can't create ad for all the products, like Facebook, Flipkart has more than 5 million products. They can't create ad for each creative, each product. So what they do is they create a dynamic creative. Dynamic creative is they pick a product name, image and price. Okay. So it is useful in that cases only. Okay. Any other question, guys? No. So let's take a break and